Welcome back, everyone. I appreciate everybody watching my videos. I got like 10 subscribers, so if y'all are back, appreciate y'all. Last video, most recent, made about 250 views. It's the best I've done yet. My friend helped me record, so that went well. 250 views don't sound like a lot, but I know a lot of people getting millions or thousands of views. If you compare yourself to others, you'll never succeed. So as long as I beat my other videos, and I'm cool with that. But yeah, let's get to business. Got some side skirt kind of extension things right here from eBay. If you're wondering why I get eBay stuff, if it ain't had nothing to do with the engine, it don't matter to me. These things break, get scratched. So if they look okay, I just buy them. And they're cheap, replaceable, I ain't worried about it. Like the front lip was only $50 and does not look bad. Who knows how long it'll last. I'll keep y'all updated on that. But I think it looks good. Lighting sucks in my garage, but got a little light right here. Let me just show y'all how to put the side skirts. Got this for the rear as well. For the bumpers, it goes in the back. Just little things. Felt like recording, doing some content today. Alright, from eBay, they fit any car, it's pretty much universal. So you have to cut it to fit. And I'm gonna cut it around right here. I'm gonna use duct tape to mark it. Put duct tape to hold it up while I put screws, but the screws is brains. I highly recommend getting self-tappers. This thing focuses. These, they get dull and they don't go into the side skirt. So I ended up using some from the house. Show you right here. Those different screws. This one ended up going in, but I burned like 3 of them. Alright guys, I finished installing the side skirts. Pretty simple install. I used duct tape to hold them up because I didn't have any help. And then I used some screws, self-tappers, because the ones I brought weren't working out for me. So maybe you can see one like this. There's one, and I put a whole bunch of them. Another one for focusing. So I just got a few things I want to add. And put this in the back. Rear bumper with these. I might have to cut them into the mud flap. And these are pretty easy. So I'm gonna cut these because they're mud flat. Show you real quick while I'm gonna cut it. But my cousin's SI right there. Pent in. Got a cage in there and a couple other little things. So usually it'll come all the way back, but due to this little mud flap thing, I have to cut it. Some ideas. tell you how much the whole lip kit from eBay costs. Cheap stuff, they break anyways. But this front lip was $50. $50, cheap. Probably gonna hit it somewhere anyways. Then we got the side skirts. Side skirts were 75. Little extension. And then the rear, this little rear winglet thingy right here, that was $15, but I think I'm gonna take them off. I don't like how they look. I just put them on yesterday. I'm not fucking with it, to be honest. Looks cheap. And then little diffuser fins were $35. Those right here. Those look alright. I'm probably gonna keep those. But yeah, cheap eBay. eBay built. How y'all feeling about it? I don't know what to do next. I really want some headlights, like some demon eyes or something. I think that would look good. I don't like focusing on the body too much. I want to get performance mods, but I think they're gonna have to wait because I keep wanting to buy more parts. I also want the little flap, I believe from Car Used, something like that. I need that. Other than that, it's looking okay. I say to wash the cars today.